Hello friends, welcome to my channel DevOps All in One. Today we are going to see how to install Jenkins on Ubuntu 18.04 operating system on G-Cloud platform. Okay, so this is our Google Cloud platform home screen. So let's get started with creation of VM instance. So you have to go to the compute section and compute engine. In that you have to click on VM instances. You have to click on create instance. Give some name for your Ubuntu operating system. Jenkins. Then select your region. You can choose any region or make it by default. No issue with that. Then in the boot disk section, you have to change the operating system. So there are a number of operating systems provided by the G Cloud. So we are going to choose Ubuntu. And we are selecting the 18.04 latest version. Select. Then for firewall, we have to allow all HTTP and HTTPS traffic and then create it. So this Jenkins instance will be created within 15 seconds. This is nothing but we are just creating a virtual machine inside a G-Cloud platform. And in that virtual machine, which is already a Ubuntu operating system, we are going to install the Jenkins. Okay, so this is created. Now this is the external IP for this Jenkins, not for Jenkins, this is the external IP for the Ubuntu operating system. Then you have to SSH. By SSH, you are going to perform all your terminal operations. So I have already prepared a steps for you guys. So first step is create VM instance. That is create. This first step is done. Now we have to update the Ubuntu packages using sudo apt-get update command. This will update all your Ubuntu packages. After that, to install the Jenkins, we have to have a Java installed in your operating system. So sudo apt-get install default JDK is the command. Click on yes. This will install the latest version of Java, that is Java 11. Let's wait for a few seconds to get it installed. Okay, so let's verify whether it is properly installed or not. Java -version, and you can see that OpenJDK version 11.0.7 is already installed. Okay, so our third step is completed. Now let's install Maven as well, because if you have to perform any Maven project, then you have to have these steps. Here we have to add commands like sudo apt-get install Maven. Okay, let's so Maven is just going to get installed. Okay, let's verify it. MVN version. Yes, Apache Maven 3.6.0 is installed on your Ubuntu operating system. Now the fifth step will be installing Jenkins. So we have to perform few steps here. So I'm just going to execute one by one. Okay, then echo this is done. Let's update the packages again. Package is updated. Now let's install the Jenkins. Yes. Don't worry guys, I will update and I will write down all these steps in the description box of this video, so you can perform step by step commands to install the Jenkins. Okay, look like the Jenkins is already installed. Now let's start the Jenkins service using the command sudo systemctl start Jenkins. It gets started. Let's check the status whether it is started or not. Status is, you can see, active. Okay, now you can see started. Now let's copy the password, that is the initial admin password, which will be required when the Jenkins dashboard get displayed. Control C, Control V. So this is the password that you need to copy. Okay, after that we need to create a firewall rule. So this is done. Now let's come to the dashboard. Then in this search product, you have to search for firewall rule. So I think not here. We have to go to VPC network. So just go down. And in this networking section, go to VPC network and click on firewall. Okay, so you have to create one firewall rule here. So I will say like allow all HTTP traffic. Okay. So let it be all default, and then action on match allow, and the target will be all instances in the network. Then IP ranges, you have to specify the IP ranges. So let's create like 0.0.0.0/0. Okay, this is the source IP range. Then protocol and port, let's allow all and create. So allow all HTTP firewall rule just now going to get created. Okay, this is created. Now let's click on home. Let's go to the compute engine part again. Compute app engine, no, compute engine, and then VM instances. So this is the Jenkins and this is their external IP. Just click on this. So initially it will be like site can't be reached because we have not given the default port for Jenkins. So as you can see, my ninth type is HTTP and not HTTPS. So if you click on this, so it will show us HTTP. So just remove that S and colon 8080, which is the default port for Jenkins. You have to click on this and here you go. Okay, so it is asking for administrator password. So remember, like we have already copied the password using the cat command. Not this one, this one. This password we already copied. Now let's go to, I just paste that password and click on continue. We have to install the plugins. So there are two options. So we will go with the suggested plugins. It will take a minute or two to install all the suggested plugins. Okay, so plugins are installed. Now create first admin user page. So let's create one user. Say Sachin is the user. I'm just giving the password. Confirm password. Full name Sachin Deshmukh. And ID will be Sachin Deshmukh 463 @gmail.com. Okay, so I have created my admin profile. Let's save and continue. So this will be your Jenkins URL. In this IP is the external IP, which is the IP for the operating system which we have created. Save and finish. Start using Jenkins. Okay, so this is the Jenkins dashboard. So this way you need to install Jenkins on the Ubuntu operating system using the cloud platform. Okay, thank you guys. If you like this video, then please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel for more video updates. Thank you so much.